Hi, I just decided to record this video. We're obviously gonna be making like this how I made the video you've probably seen. It's new on my channel. Let me try and find it. Right. You might have seen it's my latest video. It's just a random thing I did of Spider-Man 3 Venom / Screech / roar edit, sound edit. I'm gonna show you how to do the sound edit thing, just because. So yeah, I use this Clipchamp. I'll link this stuff in the description. And this is the video I use. Like here, yeah. And you just grab a random scene you want, a Venom. Actually, let me turn them into like an MP3. Well, what's the notification? Whatever. Out of context. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about all this stuff, by the way. Dang, who pinged me? They're not ping. What do you want? Let's check this out. Game night. In a second, I'm recording a video. Alright, you're gonna wanna get this. And then you're gonna make it like an MP3 or whatever audio file. Just make it an MP3. Doesn't matter. And then you want to download the actual file. You're gonna download the video version, which is gonna like overlay over the thing. Actually, now what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to a new video. We grab this. We put it. We go your media. We grab this. Drag and drop it, or you can just do that. So we wait for this. And then we're gonna do this thing where we turn this into an MP3. First, we gotta trim the file. We gotta trim the video to the place we want. This is, dang it, stupid chair, shut up. You can do a bit of comparison, but whatever, it's whatever. We gotta trim this again. It's like 1 second. Or trim it like right here. Alright, that's good. Now we're gonna export this 1080p. Actually, it doesn't matter. You don't have to make it 1080p because we're gonna turn it into an audio file. Alright, there. Now you go to what is this? You go to like right here, yeah. MKV to MP4. This is just a converter which takes one file, like an MP4 file, and converts it to an MP3, or an MKV converts it to an MP4. It's whatever. So you take whatever this is from whatever file it is to MP3 or whatever audio file you want, and then you click convert. And we download it, and then you go to right here, the audio recorder. It has other stuff other than the audio recorder, like change pitch. This is where we're going. Then we lower this. Yeah. Do I want to load? A little deeper. Just a little bit deeper. That's good. Alright, now we save this. And then we can go back to our video editor. Clipchamp. This is where we get. I just downloaded this from a random music channel. But we're gonna add this audio right here. We're gonna do a comparison though. I'll teach you how to get like the font I did. Okay, we're gonna search up Spider-Man. You're gonna go right here. I'll link the site or this font. It's called Font Memes. Basically, you can make logos. You can make like this for like downloading fonts, but they do this thing where you can like do like title effects, and then you can just like download it or something. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I have to download it this time. I usually copy images and I don't save them, but we have to save it this time because you can't copy and paste an image into here. It's not possible. Hold on, let me add that too. Alright, so we're gonna do like the original and my edit thing. Actually, I have that saved anyway. So you don't need to do it, but it's basically just this. Where's the effect? They added a new effect. It's right here, this style thing. So you go right here and you get original PNG. There it is from my video. And then we're gonna do my edit. And there it is. So we're basically just gonna clone this, duplicate. Go right here. Go back right here. All the way to the start. And then you like wanna stop this at the end of the video. Actually, I trim this a bit. Actually, I'll add it. You know what, we'll do the thing. I gotta trim this so I can get rid of the outro image thing. There we go. And we duplicate this. And we gotta line it up with the audio. The audio's gotta like, you know, it's gotta be on, it's gotta sync with the video. So we can't have it like, we gotta, and then, yeah, that's good, that's good. But, oh wait, we gotta put it on this, you can just drag and put it up here, but that's what you gotta do. I did not mean to do that. There we go. Alright, you gotta drag it up with here. So it shows, because if it's under this video thing, if it's under here, it's not gonna show. And then you can just size it down, like right to the box, the black bar thing. You just fit it there. original. Also, it's not gonna show up like automatically at the start of the video like this. There should be a way to fix that. Yeah, I didn't know there was a way to fix it in my last video. I didn't think there was a way to fix it, but there is. Just do it like this. You see that pink line? That's where it's like, that means it's like on time with the video. It's on time with the start of the video or the end of the video. You basically gotta just put this down here. Maybe size it up a little. But I don't care. And then let's see how it turned out. Okay, I accidentally cut it off. Okay, it's not completely showing. We need to have it at the complete end of the video. So there we go. I'm gonna put it right here. And there we go. It lines up with the end of the video. And there we go. Now you can save it at whatever quality you want. It doesn't matter. Just whatever you want to do. I don't care how much space it takes up on my computer, because I can just clear my space. What the hell? Hold up, I don't know if you saw that. It was like overlapping. The glitch. Ah. That's weird. Yeah, move this. Okay, that was a weird accident. Alright, now you wait for it to save. And then you can see how it turns out. You upload it if you want. Depending on how long the video is, depends on how long it'll take to save. Like, if it's like less than a minute long, or it'll take like, if it's nearly a minute long, it'll take not too long to save. So now we upload the video, of course, as you do. So, it's just a little tutorial I wanted to make just because. I'll be linking all the stuff